Everyone. So, guys, how are you all? I hope that all will be doing great. So, guys, again, I'm here for talking to you in English, and actually, I did not like to make video like these, but guys, while reading books, I found myself that I have something that I must share with all of you. And actually, let me show you one thing. I was reading this book. Please let me know if you know this book name, so you can text me and comment box. I will read your comment, and I will consider. And after reading your comment, I can consider that in my viewers, in my YouTube family, mostly people are bibliophile person. You know which kind of person are you must know about it. Some people maybe they like so much reading books or collecting new books, so they are bibliophile person. Like me, I'm also an bibliophile person. And if I talk about a music lover, so we call them audiophile person or melophile person. This is the words. In these words we just add files: melophiles, bibliophiles, or autophiles, or nectophiles. These are the words that I was reading from this book, and I got to know myself that I am an bibliophile person. I like reading books, and that is why I want to share my experience with all of you. And I will tell you how can we make any habit of reading books. This is the book that I was reading, and by reading this book, I thought that I must share these things with all of you, and I hope that you will learn something from my efforts, something from my words. So let's start today's video. So I have read about self-esteem. Self-esteem. Do you know what is self-esteem? This book name is Atomic Habit. Habit means tiny changes, remarkable result. Means if we are able to change our habit from uh, bad to good, if we are ready for changing our habits, so it is very easy to change our self-esteem. Self-esteem is something that can be very high. You know, before 1 month ago, my self esteem was very low. I was doubting myself. I was not finding myself that before 1 month ago, my goals. I can say that my goal was clear, but I was doubting myself because of low self esteem. So you don't need to doubt yourself. When you doubt yourself, your self esteem go down. Okay, so do not doubt yourself, because there is a connection between doubt and self-esteem. When we start doubting ourselves, our self-esteem automatically go down because of our doubting. So I have read about self-esteem. So before 1 month ago, 1 month ago, I had no any self-esteem. My self-esteem was very low. You know, I decided to do so many things, but it's just like if I decide anything for doing in evening time, so tomorrow morning I will not be on my words. I was doing like this. Are you getting my point? Means I just want to say that be on your words. Follow yourself first so that people could follow you. I was not following myself, you know. I was telling so many things. I was thinking a lot of things about people, about myself, but I was not following that things. I had this book, and I have been reading this book last 2 months, but I was not getting anything. I was just doing wasting of time by reading this book. I was not learning anything from this book. But guys, last week something bad had happened with me, and when from that day, When I started reading this book again, I got to know my self esteem, why those things were happening to me, and I got to know about it because of self esteem. Now my self esteem, I have created my self esteem. We have to create it. Okay, it is not our child made things. We have to create it, and I have created my self esteem. If you feel down, so you are doubting on your self esteem, on yourself, because of that you feel down. This is the only solution, and just increase your self esteem, improve your thoughts, and increase your process of thinking, so that you could increase your self esteem. सेल्फ स्टीम मीन्स होता है स्वयं के ऊपर विश्वास। सेल्फ स्टीम मतलब होता है कि आप अपने ऊपर कितना विश्वास कर रहे हो। अगर आप कोई भी काम कर रहे हो, बट अगर आपकी सेल्फ स्टीम लो है, मतलब कम है, कर तो रहे हो काम, बट उसमें पूरा 100% विश्वास नहीं, कहीं न कहीं आप उस पे डाउट करते जाते हो, तो जो सेल्फ स्टीम आपके पास जो रहती है वो अपने आप नीचे चली जाती है, मतलब अपने आप कम हो जाती है। तो थोड़ा बहुत भी आपके पास शंका होगी दैट आई एम डूइंग दिस थिंग्स, बट आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर दैट आई विल get success or not, so you are doubting yourself. Because of your doubting, your self esteem is going down. Okay, and thinking about success or unsuccess, it is not our work. Our work is just enjoy the process of doing our work. And it is not all about learning English language. It is all about our work, whatever we are doing. If we are very focused for doing that work, means we cannot think about negative think of that work. Okay, so increase your self esteem, and for increasing your self esteem you will have to believe on yourself. जब भी आप कोई काम कर रहे हो तो उस काम को पूरी लगन के साथ कीजिए. So I just want to say, guys, this time when I said that believe on yourself, my mother started laughing at me that why are you speaking these kind of words. My mother is not aware about my YouTube channel. She does not know anything. Whenever I take mobile like this, so my mom consider that she's taking selfie, or she's just clicking their picture. See things like this. My mom is not aware about it, so they start laughing. And laughing means not like that. She just a very kind hearted person. I love them so much. And guys, let's talk about topic. I was just diverted because of my mother's smile. So, in this way, you will have to focus on your self esteem. Self esteem may be anything. Self respect. Self esteem means self respect. If you are not respecting to anyone, so respect to yourself. Okay? If you do not respect your words, your desire, your goals, so people will not respect you. Okay, so just try to increase your self esteem. Try to know about yourself more and more, as much as you can. Because when you start knowing yourself, you will see all words, and you will see everything like positive. You will see because of your inner qualities, because of your within, you will get everything just like you want. I hope that you are getting my point. And guys, I just want to say that please read this book at least one time. You should read this book. After reading this book, I haven't completed. I have just completed 10 or 12 pages in this book. But in 10 or 12 pages, I got so many things. I got to know myself, that how was my habit and how is my habit from that day. I got to know these things. And definitely, if you have any bad habit, if you want to leave that habits, so definitely you should read this book, because in this book you will get graph how to create good habits, how to make good habits, and how to crack bad habits. You will get everything. So I will suggest you, please read this book once, at least one time you should read. And the book name is Atomic Habit. I have this book, and this type of book, I have three books I read whenever I get free time. And guys, let me tell you that I'm an bibliophile person. So because of that, I like reading book and collecting book. And I do, when I get free time, even I don't like using mobile too much. And yeah, in the last of this video, I want to give you some words, and you will have to let me know that in which field you are. Okay. The first one is a bibliophile, the person who likes reading books a lot, who like collecting books. that is called that is called bibliophile person. And if you like music, if you like listening music, so you will call yourself that you are melophile person. And if you are audio lover, if you like song, if you are like everything like music, song, or audio, so you are an audiophile person. Okay. But if you like dark, you will call yourself that you are nectophile person.